This fertilizer will double the tomato yields. They will be healthy and strong, and you will harvest them in full buckets. Just water them with this natural mixture. Tomatoes are an easy target for diseases and fungi, so spraying is necessary during cultivation. If you're not a fan of chemical substances, this recipe will certainly come in handy. We use it for tomato seedlings planted in the ground. Despite their popularity, tomatoes are very sensitive to weather conditions. They are prone to diseases, especially fungi, when the air and soil are very humid. Therefore, yeast, which are good fungi themselves, will be a very effective spray. To prepare the spray, we need 2 packages of dried yeast, around 10 grams in total. Then we add a tablespoon of white sugar to them. Dissolve the entire mixture in 1 liter of warm water. Mix thoroughly and let it dissolve. After 20 minutes, the spray will be ready for use. Water tomato seedlings with the yeast mixture once a week. The yeast spray is used preventively to strengthen plant immunity and protect them from dangerous fungal diseases. Yeast creates a natural barrier on the surface of stems and leaves while promoting plant growth. By colonizing the leaves, yeast displaces harmful microorganisms, thereby protecting plants from the development of many diseases, including fungal ones. Fresh yeast spray is also a proven and inexpensive way to protect tomato crops from diseases transmitted by pests, including aphids. Using yeast spray reduces the risk of disease occurrence, and when applied to already infected plants, it displaces harmful microorganisms by competing for the nutrients necessary for disease-causing fungi. The high effectiveness of the baker's yeast solution is attributed to magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, selenium, calcium, phosphorus, chromium, amino acids, proteins, and B-group vitamins. Such yeast spray is inexpensive to prepare, and its components are remarkably effective. Let us know in the comments if you have already used this method. If you like our tips, please leave a like and subscribe. We publish new videos every day.
Just a piece of this soap is enough to protect your cucumber crops from blight. Gardeners have been using this method for years because it's incredibly effective, cheap, and natural. If you start to see a white powdery substance on the cucumber leaves, it's a bad sign. There's a simple way to protect them from aphids. This summer, you'll be harvesting cucumbers by the bucketful. Prepare a bar of gray soap. Grate it using a coarse grater. Its use in the garden is brilliant. You should have about 30 grams of soap flakes. Add them to a liter of water. Stir until all the soap dissolves. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the cucumber leaves with this solution. The insecticidal properties of gray soap come from the fatty acids, which are toxic to many harmful insects. It protects the plant from aphids and fungi. The cucumber aphid is one of the species that feed on cultivated plants. Its presence can weaken the plant, or even cause it to wilt. They are mainly found on the younger parts of the plants, on the underside of the leaves, and on the shoots. The soapy foam also cleans the plant of dirt. This homemade spray is cheap and effective. It's no wonder most gardeners use it. This yellow remedy will protect cucumbers and tomatoes from diseases and pests. It will safeguard tomatoes from blight, increase flowering, and boost yields. This natural fertilizer will help your plants grow healthily and produce abundant fruit. You'll need only ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, boil a liter of water. It's important that the water is hot because one of the key ingredients needs high temperatures to dissolve. Now, add 2 teaspoons of an extraordinary powder with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, turmeric. When the mixture cools slightly, add 100 milliliters of the second ingredient, which is rich in calcium and other minerals, milk. This not only strengthens your crops, but also enhances their ability to fight off diseases and pests. Thanks to this ingredient, the remedy will stay on the plants longer. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Wait until the mixture has completely cooled and strain it through a fine sieve. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the plants once a week. This natural remedy will help your cucumbers and tomatoes thrive, keeping them healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Store the rest in a jar for later use. This 1 tablespoon can make your cucumber plants grow like crazy. If you're dreaming of strong plants and baskets full of crisp cucumbers, you need to try this simple trick. All you need is 1 inexpensive ingredient from your kitchen cabinet that can help support healthy plant growth and improve overall vigor. Start with 1¼ gallons of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of the secret white powder that helps create better conditions for plants to absorb nutrients from the soil. This allows cucumbers to grow faster, develop stronger vines, and produce more healthy fruit. Now add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and stir everything well. It provides magnesium and sulfur, 2 nutrients that are essential for healthy plant growth. Magnesium plays a key role in photosynthesis, helping the leaves stay deep green and produce the energy plants need to grow. Keep stirring until everything has completely dissolved. Use the finished solution to water your plants. Pour it directly around the base of each plant, so the nutrients reach the roots. Avoid getting the leaves wet, especially on sunny days. For best results, apply this fertilizer early in the morning or in the evening when temperatures are cooler. Repeat the treatment every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing and fruiting season. And now for the secret ingredient. That white powder is citric acid. It helps create better conditions for cucumber plants to absorb nutrients from the soil. Combined with Epsom salt, it creates a simple and inexpensive mixture that can support healthy growth and encourage a more abundant harvest. Water the cucumbers with this. They will grow instantly. In the summer, you'll be collecting them by the bucketful. This simple fertilizer will make them grow like crazy. It will supply them with necessary nutrients. You'll quickly see the difference. The cucumbers will green up and start growing. Prepare a 1-liter jar and pour in some warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast to it. Stir the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir again, cover the jar, and set it aside in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After this time, prepare a 5-liter bucket with warm water. Pour the yeast water into it, and mix everything. This way, we'll get a yeast fertilizer concentrate. For daily watering of the cucumbers, it still needs to be diluted. Before you do that, water the cucumbers first with plain water. It's important to moisten the soil around the cucumbers well. Then use the jar and scoop out 1 liter of concentrated fertilizer. Pour it into a 10-liter bucket of warm water. This bucket will be enough to water about 10 cucumber seedlings. That's 1 liter of fertilizer per seedling. This way you can water the cucumbers even daily, if necessary. You'll supply the cucumbers with necessary nutrients and stimulate their growth. They'll fruit like never before.